Hello everybody! Let's talk about what we learned last week in art class. We learned about lots of different types of lines. In our sketchbook, we glued these 2 sheets of paper and we practiced so many different types of lines in our sketchbooks. So we're going to use those lines that we practiced and learned about to make a big work of art today. I'm going to introduce you to a new artist, and he is one of my favorite artists. His name is Romero Britto. This is one of his works of art. Romero Britto is an artist that's alive and making work today, and he loves color, he loves shape, and he loves lines. In fact, he uses his lines to make patterns in the spaces of his pictures. If you can't tell, this is a landscape. This is a picture of an outside scene with some hills and a big shining sun in the sky. What makes this really wonderful to look at is all of the patterns that he's added inside of these spaces. Straight lines, circles, flower prints, straight lines with dots, and many colors in these spaces. Here's another one of his works of art. This is a seascape. That means it's a water scene. Notice the water down here, the dolphin, the sun shining in the sky, and the tree. I love to look at this one because of all of the line and shape patterns and the colors that he adds to these spaces. Here's another one of his works of art. This is a lot more detailed work of art. These are 2 friends sitting next to each other with the globe. Looks like they're friends who are sharing. But again, what I really love about this is all of the color, line, and shape patterns in all of these spaces. Very interesting. So this is what we're going to try and do today, boys and girls. We are actually going to look at one of his works of art that has words in it, and we're going to copy this same idea. So if you can't tell, this work of art right here says L-O-V-E. That spells love. Romero Britto has picked one word, and he's staying with his style of colors, lines, and shape patterns in these spaces to spell a word. He also has another work of art here. This one says happy, H-A-P-P-Y. So what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to pick a word and you're going to try and use your line and shape and pattern knowledge to make a whole work of art kind of in the style of Romero Britto. So in my next video, I'll show you how I start this.